Hello and welcome to Spectrum. Our M2P series lets you mix any combination of digitizer, AWG and digital I/O cards to create your own affordable, customized multi-channel PC test system. The need for multi-channel test and measurement has never been greater, as electronic devices become more complex using array and parallelization techniques to increase performance. The M2P series offers a convenient solution by allowing the creation of customized test systems with tens or even hundreds of analog and digital channels with speeds up to 125 megasamples per second. All the M2P products have a common platform board. Onto this, various modules are mounted to create 39 different models of digitizers, AWGs and digital I/O. Sharing base card technology has many advantages. The instruments work well together, providing similar features and common programming. Production costs are lowered, the overall reliability improves, and each product utilizes similar clock and trigger circuitry. This allows our Star Hub clock and distribution module to provide complete system synchronization. Star Hub enables up to 16 cards to be connected together to create systems with as many as 128 analog or 512 digital channels. Let's take a look at the digitizer cards. You will find your perfect fit solution as we offer 24 different models, all 16-bit, with 1 to 8 channels per card and speeds from 5 to 125 megasamples per second. For example, 6 M2P 5923 digitizer cards can be used to build a system with 48 channels, each offering sampling rates of 20 megasamples per second. It's a speed that's perfect for a number of applications such as radar, ultrasonic imaging, mechanical measurements, LiDAR, fluid mechanics, or seismic studies. The M2P series also has 14 different AWGs for you to choose from. They are able to produce almost any wave shape with 16-bit resolution, 1 to 8 channels per card, frequency content up to 60 MHz, and voltage swings up to plus or minus 12 volts into high impedance. With Star Hub, systems with up to 80 fully synchronized channels are possible in one PC. It's a cost-effective way to stimulate electronic devices in applications such as robotics, mechatronics, component verification, optical transceiver testing, or even as complete device simulators. Mixing AWG and digitizer cards in one PC is a perfect solution for any stimulus response or closed-loop type measurements, like those needed in ATE, automatic testing, LiDAR, sonar, radar, ultrasound, and all other kinds of echo signal applications. Combining up to 16 cards with 8 channels each allows even big arrays of sensors or antennas to be tested. Let's talk about digital signals. All the digitizers and AWG cards additionally offer 4 multi-purpose connectors that can be used for various functions like synchronous digital I/O, asynchronous I/O lines, or logic trigger inputs. There's even an option available to add another 16 digital lines. This module can be mounted onto every digitizer and AWG card, with the resulting combination offering 20 digital lines in total. If an application calls for a really high number of digital channels, the M2P family has a dedicated card for the task. The digital I/O card, M2P 7515, offers 32 parallel channels to acquire or generate digital signals at clocking rates up to 125 MHz. Combining up to 16 cards together with Star Hub will create digital I/O systems with up to 512 fully synchronized channels. It's an economic way to build pattern generation capabilities into sophisticated control systems or perform logic analysis of data as it's transmitted across data lines. Let's take a look at a combination of AWG, digitizer, and digital I/O card in one PC, as used by one of our customers to test sub-assemblies for satellites. On the monitors, our powerful measurement software, SBench 6, is open twice. On the left side, you can see 8 analog signals sent out by the AWG that drive the components under test. On the right side, 8 analog channels acquired by the digitizer and 32 digital channels recorded by the digital I/O card show the reaction of the subassembly. Fully programmable, all the M2P cards come with drivers for Windows and Linux, as well as programming examples for C++, LabVIEW, MATLAB, Visual Basic.NET, Python, Julia, and other popular programming languages. Every Spectrum product comes with our industry-leading 5-year warranty, free software and firmware updates for its whole lifetime, and support directly from our hardware and software engineers.